Okay. Gonna need the face shield for this one. Okay, now that I think we've got the mics working again, these Hotech wireless mics are kind of a pain because they lose communication with the receiver if you don't use them like every 30 seconds. So you have to repair, and then you got to do that 10 times before they finally start communicating again. But anyway, we got another new tool here. Aircat pneumatic tools, cutoff tool. We've been using the really high class, high quality Harbor Freight one we got for 10 bucks. Decided it was time for an upgrade, so placed an order with Summit Racing and got this, and we're going to be showing what's in here, and maybe at some point we'll actually use it. But a little baggie full of stuff in here. Got, of course, the obligatory sticker to put on your toolbox. Registration card, little mini catalog, the declaration of conformity, giving all the specs on it. So it's a half horsepower, 20,000 RPM. So on the box it says it's quieter than other tools, but it doesn't have a decibel rating on there. It says more power, half the noise. So another pamphlet showing their products, and then the warranty card, instructions, parts list. Tool for changing the cutting wheel. Fancy little bag that it's in. Looks like it's made to fit about 50 different tools. Oh, even comes with a wheel. But no stupid frickin' lock on the paddle switch that you can't never use when you got gloves on. So, of course, the guard that I'm sure at some point is coming off of there. They always do, because they're a pain to use with it on. But that's what it looks like. We'll get it set up, and at some point we'll cut something and we'll post that. Don't go over too far there. What the hell? That is hot on the head. Gonna have to see if I can get it this way. No, I can't. See? Damn it. Can't get in there. Cut at a fucking angle. Put my hat. Okay, it is Wednesday the 22nd. Dad is taking a break. We haven't got much done on the truck the past few days, partially because of weather, partially because of some other stuff we had to do. Took a look at the brakes on Dad's Blazer last night, and it needs brakes all the way around, so you folks are extremely lucky. Gonna get a how-to video on how to replace all the brakes on an S10 Blazer, unless of course we thoroughly botch the job, in which case you won't even know we did anything. But anyway, this cab is finally 100% solid. There's still a little bit of cleanup on some of the welds. The corners are in, the cowls are in. Side here, that's all in, welded. Along here, you can see we had to put in a filler piece along the back that is take up the space, because as I've said before, these aftermarket kits, all we've got left is we're going to make some panels to fill in here on the cab corners, just make it flat all the way across, just for aesthetics basically. And then we've got some repair work on the dash. You can see there, for whatever reason they cut those frickin' holes. And then we've kind of got a half-ass repair there, maybe redoing that. But just a quick update, the cab is way more solid than it ever was in its life. So we're happy. It's a huge step forward. Now we can start thinking about all the other crap we got to do. So that's it for today. Just a quick update on this, and We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.